Live show binary options trading today. It's Music City Trader, and I'm getting ready. In my studio today is Thursday. I'm getting ready to go for a 2% trading session. I got my dog Bear here. He's trying to eat the trash can. I don't know what that's all about. I'm going to start out writing my trading sheet though. Look at the balance for the week, 1827.80. Make sure you like 1827. Okay, that's what it is. I'm putting it on this sheet right here, and actually I have these on the new online store. Click on the link and just go to the store. You can find my trading sheets. 1827 is where I'm at. I've been drinking coffee. I've been driving a lot today. I'm kind of like tired of driving. I was working doing tech work this morning. 1827 is the account now. So I'm going to show you guys how I fill this out. This is the Hack the Math method. My available risk is $67. And I think I'm going to go up to $4 today. This is something new. So really, how many is that? If it's $67, I'm gonna kind of go up to 4. It's 16 and a half tries. I think that's enough. It's a little bit riskier, but I'm gonna start a $4 trade today. Stop loss is 17.59. So I got to be real careful not to do any double up or anything like that. Maybe I can do that while you guys are on the podcast while I'm doing this. 1849 is what I'm going for, or 1871. And we're going to change over this. We're going to change this to $4 starting trade. And I look for my puppy. Lay down. I'm looking for my puppy. He's right in here. So we'll have a $4 trade, an $8 trade, and then it'll jump up to 16. And then the last one would be 21. Okay. The profit would be 25. So we can take a $21 trade if we want to. If we lose it, it'll save back our $4. Okay. So I feel distracted because my dog is eating stuff behind me. Anyway, you can get these sheets that I'm writing on. This has changed everything for me. It's kept me accountable, and you can get those sheets at the website in the link in my description. Binary options trading strategy. Or you can go to musiccitytrader.com. Bear, lay down. I took a guitar pedal apart, completely destroyed the guitar pedal, and he's like excited because all the cables are on the ground. I'm afraid he's gonna sit there and eat the cables. So, all right, I'm gonna open up some charts, and before I do that, I'm gonna play the intro. So we're gonna do it right now. We're gonna start making it and see if we can happen. We have 16 tries at $4 to get started. All right, I'm looking at charts, and this is just gonna be a very simple day. Hopefully I won't hit the stop loss. 17.59 is a stop loss, and maybe I'll kind of see what the charts have been doing here. It's 3 o'clock p.m. on a Thursday. It's not a great time, not like my favorite time to trade, not too bad either. It looks like that was it fought this line here, hit that line, fought this line again. It broke above there, got a little higher here. This is interesting. I'm kind of looking at CHF and OK. Yeah, this could go either way. If I think it's gonna, I think it's gonna go for it. That's pretty high, but I think it's gonna break above. It broke above this line here. Unless it pulls back, we got 30 seconds on here. I'm gonna write down. I've been doing this, so I write down a line and I write 4 underneath it. And then my win or loss will be on top. And there it is. Yeah, it did break above. Okay. Now, is it going to hit that and go back, or I don't know. It's right there. It's hitting. Right now it's hitting. Yeah, right now it's hitting. Yeah, I'm not sure. I didn't get it in time. I should have hit it right at that top point. So I got the first win. And then it's like, to me, I'm going to call it back up. It's a little bit anti idea. I put a 1 minute call here because if I assume that it goes, but I should have probably put it at the top of that green candle and got that pullback. Looks like I would have won. What I was initially thinking is, yeah, it's going to do that. So let's see. It's probably consolidating up here. So this is, like I said, a new set of numbers for me. So I am going to go for a 3 series. I'm going to try to go for a 3 series here. 23 seconds. I'm not going to double any trades up today unless I just really think that it's like this one. Yeah, this one right here is 12 seconds. I'm not going to double that because if it shoots back up there, it could. It looks like it's holding down pretty good there. Yeah. Yeah, I could have doubled that one. It would have won. Okay, I'm going to go back to, I'm going to call that a loss then. Yeah, so the 4 was a win. The 8 was a loss. So I'm going to go back to a 4. It's kind of sitting on this line again. I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back up from here. This is, let's see. And I can double this up if it goes, if it touches down on this line, I'm going to double it up. If it gives me a little push down, I'm going to, my position was a little bit high. So my first trade was really just $4 out. This is interesting. Okay. Oh, that lost at the last second. So 4. We'll call that a loss. Let's see. I think it's just kind of sitting up here. I don't really know that it's going to do much. I'm not really sure. It kind of tricked me 3 times now, so I'm not sure I want to. Do I believe it's going to go back up there and head back up even higher? Not really sure. I mean, okay, so it's at, yeah, it is at a line right here. It's at a line right here. And it wants to go back up there. But it already kind of hit that line. Now it's wanting to go back down. Consolidating in this area, but with a downward trend. It's kind of, to me, I don't know that it's really broken out of anything here yet either. It feels like it wants to go down. I'm going to pull it from here to a call. Let's assume that it's not going to the white line, which it has kind of been, so this is still iffy. But if it kind of retracts and goes back up to that, back up to here, maybe it will go back up and break it. It broke it here. It kind of had a higher high, higher there, kind of higher there, kind of higher here. It worries me that it's farting around right here. Since this is a longer trade, maybe if it dips down, I'll double it up. I've been kind of losing on this chart narrowly because of my position is just a little off. That's going to consolidate, and I feel like if it dumps down there, I'm going to double that up. There we go. Okay. I'm going to hit that one at the bottom. So that's not great. That's two more out. So that's a loss and that's a loss. Let me look at this. I'm going to probably get off this chart unless it turns around here. That's a loss and a loss and that's a loss. There's 3 in a row, 4 and an 8. So a win and then a loss and then 3 in a row. Okay. That's not too bad. If I keep doing this though, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to maybe I will just go ahead and I think I'm going to win this one, but I'm not so sure it's not going to return back down to here. Now it's kind of down here. Yeah, see how it's getting back down there. I'm not sure I want to fight. I want to fight that. There we go. So I won that 4 and I'm going to take an 8. So It's kind of hit like an area of resistance here. I'm going to really try to refrain from doubling up right now on the 8, but that's a short trade. So if it doesn't pop back up here and just go up, it could. I think it could. It could go either way. Oh, that's really... Oh, man. Yeah, that's not... I'm going to take a minute 8 down here. So this is sort of breaking my rules, 17.99. But that was a pretty good... That's a pretty good spot to be. Really should have taken... I should have taken a bigger trade down here. This will just get me back if this doesn't start to waterfall. I do believe this could be a climber right here. 17.59 is my stop loss. Okay, I'm still pretty good. I'm still good above the stop loss. But I'm going to go back to 4. If this wins, I'm still going to go back to 4. I'm probably going to go back to 30. Now, this is interesting. This could lose just by that position again. Oh man, yeah, it's going to lose just by that position. That's not good there. All right, I got people in my house yelling for me. So that 4 was a loss too. And then 8, 18, 7. I'm getting closer to my stop loss. Actually, I think I'm going to go ahead and call this one up for 2 minutes because I think what's going to happen is I'm going to let this get down here. Yeah. 17 seconds ago for 2 minutes. Yeah, let's just call that up. I think we hit a bottom. I'm still well within my stop loss, so I'm going to recoup some of these losses. I've had quite a few. 4, 4, 4, 4. I'd had a win and a loss there, and then I had 8. I'm going to send my dog down here too. All right, so as long as this holds up, this was a good move. So the 8 won, and the 16 was at the bottom. It's kind of a longer trade, so I'm hoping this isn't just a pullback. I think I'm going to have to wait for this one to really win or lose. We'll see what happens. I'm going to look at a line here, and I'm going to see this line. If it gets back down to this line again, I'm going to go ahead and double it up. But I think it might actually win. It's got 2 candles. Yeah. It's actually... And I'm going to start another 4 for a minute. Yeah, 16. So... I'm going to see where I'm at. I'm going to look at where I'm at. It's 1786 plus 30. 1816. I'll still be under where I started. Yeah, see, this is... let's see. If this gets down here, I'm going to double it up again. And it's going to... If it gives me a better position, I'm going to double it from here. If it jumps down there again, I'm going to double this up. If it stays there, then I think I could win it. But yeah, look at it. It's really... I don't want to lose it because of this position. There we go. So I doubled that up. We got 16 seconds. That's kind of a quick trade right there. And hopefully, is it going to bounce up? Let's see. There, come on, bounce up. It looks like it really wants to bounce down, but I want it to at least go up. Oh, this is not good. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay. Let's see here. That accidentally logged me out. Let's see. So this was a tie, and we're at 1801. Not bad, but not great. Now I feel like I'm gonna go ahead and go back to my $4 trade. I'm gonna see if this is gonna turn around down here. If it turns around down here, this is a pretty low. This is a pretty heavy spot right here. Get rid of some of these. Yeah, it hit this line again. It hit there. To me, it wants to go down long term. but you know, let's see, we need to go higher again on that. Oh, we won that one. Okay, because that was, okay, I got a little confused. All right, well, that's fine. The 4 was a win. Let's see if it turns around. This would actually be phenomenal because I accidentally did that as a put and I won it. I was really wanting to. Let's go for 1 minute. Let's go for 1 minute on 8. Yeah, let's go ahead and let's see if it will drop down. There we go. There we go. I'm going to take a 1 minute call because it's kind of farting around right here, but I think if it starts heading back up, I could win some trades here. I go back to 30 seconds. We're going to stack. I'm going to wait, at least wait and see if it actually breaks up from here. If it drops back down to this line, I'm going to double up. It's kind of against the double up policy, but it's just a second trade. And it's kind of fighting to go up. But if it dips back down to that line, all the way back, if it goes all the way back down the line, I'm gonna take it. Yeah, see, it's getting some rejection off that top side. Rejection off the top side again. Okay, this is a win on the 8. I'm not sure if I should go again. I'm gonna wait till it dips. We've got this line right here that it kind of had a hard stop at. It looks like it wants to go back up to where it's going. Okay, it's at the top of that candle now. Let's see. So the 8 was a win. 16 is, oh, it looks like it might win. 30 seconds. Okay, I'm glad I took a short trade because so $17.99 and plus, what is that going to be, 16? 18, 15? No, 30. I'll be at 17.99 plus 30. I'll be at 18.29. I'll be about $2 from where I started. Because of that, I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to take a put here. See if I can pull some, see if it will relieve. I'm not going to go for any more because I'm not reading this chart great. I'm not gonna. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. Let that. Oh, let's see if it bounces up here. If it bounces up there, I'll double it. But I won't. I don't know if I'm gonna have to. It's been bouncy. You know, is it gonna bounce down or is it gonna go back up? I think it's gonna go back down here. It's a really bad position. Really bad position. But this is a win, right? This is a bad position. I'm gonna double it up here. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm just gonna take it back down from here because it's kind of fighting to get back up there. It's not really a double up. It's just an actual another trade. I get that 8 back. I hate to think that I'm doing the T8 climb, but I kind of am here. It's hit that line. It has been breaking through the line in general, so I'm not really sure what it's going to do now. Holy moly, it's going to hold down. Okay, good. All right, we'll get that win back. And at 1833. And now I think it's going down from here. So we can actually do, I think I can take the 8 again. Although I kind of feel like I should get off this chart because I kind of feel like it's kind of all over the place for me. I'm just going to get off because I'm not reading it that great. This one's above that line and it's got, oh wow, it's at another line right here. It kind of broke through that line already. I'm going to go ahead and call it. I did that because the RSI was already broken. It's in a major uptrend, a little pullback, 1 minute. It gives it long enough to go. But we'll see. That was a kind of a push up. I'm still kind of, like I lost an 8 and won an 8. And then I'm going for another 8. But this is not great. Let's push this up from here. There. I'm going to do another one. It's moving. This one's moving really slow. This one's moving really slow, and it could be relieving down to that line. Maybe I'll get both of these. Maybe it'll flip around. It's hard to know this one. I wasn't tracking this one too much. Let's see here. Double this one up. Yeah, if it pulls up. See, this is where I get in trouble. I'm going to have to low back down on this 1809. So let's see here. I'm going to have to, so one of these lost. It looks like it could, well, it broke down on there, so I got to be careful. Let's see here. It's moving really slow, guys. Really slow. It's pushing down really slow. Oh, there. Come on. Get it back up there. Yeah, there you go. Get back up there. 5 seconds. Get back up there. Break up. Break up. Break up. Let's see what it does. Okay, yeah, there. That was a win-loss scenario. And back to 1825. Probably should go back to 4. Try to read this chart better. Let's try to go down for a minute. It is sort of like turned around, but it's, you know, big scoop there. It's just like all through the white line there and went way up. Will it go back down? Maybe. Probably, but I don't know. These charts are kind of bouncy. I'm not doing great. I'm going to go back to 30 seconds because I have because I'm maybe I'll do 1 minute. This one is moving really slow. Maybe I'll do next candle color on this one, 30 seconds. It's down at the bottom. Let's see what it opens. Oh yeah, it's right on the line. If it pulls up a little bit, I'll do. Okay, that was a 4 win. I should have done next candle color on that one. That would have been great because it hit a line and it's kind of going through it. Let's take it now. It's it hit this line right here. It's kind of bouncing on that candle. It could go to the white line. I tend to think it will. It relieve down. Oh no, it's sitting on that line too. Sitting right here on this line. It's kind of wanting to break through. I'll double that one up. I'll try to save that one. It's not going to happen. Oh yes, it's not going to happen. Oh. Alright, that was bad. 1812. Back down. I'm gonna go down on this. I think it's gonna go back down. I think it back down on this one. But I think I'm gonna have to stop with the $8 trades here because let's go back. I'm doing 2 minutes. I'm going to do a 2 minute on that one. Let's see what happened here. I lost that one. Okay. And then I did an 8 and I did 8 2 minute. Definitely struggling to read the directions here today. I'm not doing great, but again, my financial strategy is keeping me fairly safe. 9 seconds. Let's see. Can it get down there? Will it get down there? Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on. Don't fight it. Don't fight it. Just do it. Don't fight it. There you Oh. See, I'm losing really narrow. Let's go again on the 8. So if this stays down, then I'll get that 8 back. And then what I'm going to do is if it hits that line again, if it hits this line right here again, I'm going to take 16. If it loses these, I'm going to wait for it to get up there. That's kind of what I think I'm going to do. If if I win these two eights, I think I'll go back to my $4 trade. If I lose these, if I win these, if I lose them, I'm going to wait till it gets up here, and then I'm going to knock it down again. Because the way it's kind of moving, I don't know that it's going to break up there. I'm not going to take one more chance on this one. I only have 5 seconds left on that one. Yeah, let's see if I can win this one. It'll be a washout. I'm going to wait and take it at the top. Okay, I'm going to wait and take it at the top. I think that's what's going to happen. Wait till I get a push up here. I'm going to wait till I get a push up and a touch. There he goes. That's good enough. If it's gonna return, it's gonna return off this. I'm getting closer to my stop loss though, so it's got to be win. This will get me back to those eights. 30. Never really know what's gonna happen right here, but I think it'll reject. 2 plus, and if I win that, I'll be at 1802. This is an RSI touch, and after that, I think it might actually break. I think it might actually break and go up. I have to pause here though. I can't take any more trades. I'm too close to my stop loss, so I want this to hold. Down. It doesn't seem like a great session today, guys. See, look at these little tiny positions that I'm losing by just losing by a little bit. There we go. That's good. That is really good. All right. Go back down to a 4. I'm going to take this one up because I do think I'm in an uptrend, and I do think this little line right here is going to go back up. And then I'm going to do 30 seconds. If this actually goes and breaks over this, then I'll win this 4. I could stack an 8 on here, maybe a 16, and I could get some profit here. Hey, if you have any comments, leave them in there. Even if it's not live, leave some comments in there. Yeah, this is, I just don't know which way this is going now either. It seems like it wants to go back down. I feel like it wants to go back up and break that up. So it's got these little I'm gonna double that up. It's got 4 seconds. Okay. Yeah, at least that's at least I tied that. And I'm at 1803. I'm going away from this one. I'm not reading it at all. And instead of getting frustrated, what was that? CHPJPY. Yeah, that's what I was on. I'm going to close these out and start over. I'm just not... Today doesn't feel right, but maybe I'll just look and see if I can find any that look like a pattern. I'm losing some trades just by... Okay, that RSI did turn around for me. I'm going to try this one. It's a touchdown. It's an RSI touchdown. Let's see if it breaks down again. I'll hit it again. Is it gonna squeeze down and touch? There we go. There, touch it there. Okay. But it's persistent, so it'll be weird. I think it's gonna turn around and then it's like persist for a bit. That's kind of the problem that I'm feeling today is it's sort of persisting. Of course, if I win this one, I could take this one up 30 seconds. If it's not going to bounce back down, I'm gonna wait and see if this one wins, and if it does, then I may take a wait for the. There we go, 3, 2, 1. So it's just going to be like a tie. do it again. Let's take 30 seconds up on the 4, and then we're going to go to 8. So if this actually does turn around and break up, then we're good. If it goes back down here, then we're not good. Man, look at that wick. Come on, baby. Don't wick down there. Don't wick down. There we go. Double that up. That was a jump down. Oh, 3, 2. That was, yeah, there we go. At least we tied those. Okay. Let's see here. Let's take this down from here. Might as well try it. It might actually go on down, and it is in an overall downtrend, so let's see if it can do that. See if it can. If I get to about 5 seconds, it's at the bottom. Ooh, look at that. See, that's not good. It gets down to the. Let's take that. Oh, there we go. I thought that one trade closed as a tie. That trade closed as a tie, so. Still, I'm gonna double that. Oh, that was a terrible double. I should have got that one up there a lot higher. I meant to get it when it was up there. Oh, let's see. I'm still trying to decide if this is going down. I think it is. I break through here. See if it can relieve. Oh, that was a terrible position. That was terrible. My finger is a little slow today. My finger is slow. Let's see. What is that? Closed at 8. Oh. Those last two closed as a win. So I think I'm okay if the 16 wins. I might call. Oh, no. See, that was not good. I mean, what's going on here? I'm gonna take that 16 again. I'm getting close to my stop loss again. I'm gonna try to get that 16 back. The big wick down gives me the opinion that it's going back up. Let's see. There we go. I'm going to hit that up at 2. I'm going to have to stop today because I'm getting close to my stop loss and I just don't feel like I'm reading these charts very good at all. This is a 1 minute. This is a 2 minute. It just feels like I'm $10 away from my stop loss. I may end this if I can't read this. Yeah, there it goes. But still, I'm going to lose that one. And then this one is just not sure if it's going to turn around. If I win this, I'll be at 1739 plus 30. 1769. No, 1769 plus 30. 1799 minus 1759. I have $40 on my stop loss there. I'll have $40 on my stop loss here. This is a pretty janky chart. I'm going to put this over here and just wait and see what happens. This will be the first day in a long time I will have hit my stop loss if I lose. But I'm okay with that. If it happens, I got to be okay with that and just make it. It's like there's a pullback there. Unless there's like a really good push up, then it's going to be bad. Let's look at 10 seconds. Yeah. If this goes above this line, yeah, there you go. It can hit that, and I got 2 candles left. Yeah, and I think what I'm going to do is right here, I'm going to put this for 3 minutes. No, I'm going to put this for 2 minutes. boing, $20. Okay. I did that because I'm winning this one, so I'm going to go ahead and I have money left in my stop loss. I'm going to go for a bigger trade just because I keep losing, and I really do believe this is going down. When I look at it in 30 seconds, it keeps going down. And then I'm glad I only took a 2 minute, but in this, it looks like it's doing that, hitting there, going up, hitting there, going up, hitting there. These are just levels, so I'm going to watch this play out in this, and probably 1779 plus, what would this be, 38.40, 1817. I probably am going to quit today if I win or lose this either way. Not feeling super confident about these charts right now. I probably, if I lose this, I would still have $20 left before I would hit my stop loss, so I could actually trade. I could trade a little bit later too. I could come back in an hour. See, look at this. Is interesting that it's just, so there's 5. This is 10-second candles. Actually, no, this is 10-second candles here. Yeah, it's up there. I've got 20. I don't know if it's worth it up here or not. It feels like my position was gonna like it's just gonna fart around there. It's got 3 candles left. If this can break down below this line, this is what I kind of look at in the 10 seconds. Like, it's kind of consolidating right here and here, but it doesn't want to break down there. 2 candles left, and it's like it's holding, but it's got that upper pressure that wants to go up, and then it's like, oh yeah, no, get back down. So that was actually good. 5 seconds left. This is a half a candle left. It's going to bounce off that line right there. Yes. Okay. 1818. All right. 20 is a win. And then at 1818. It doesn't feel quite like the right. Hey, thanks for learning to trade. Thanks for the comment. Yeah, I'm still only down $10 from where I started at this point. But I don't feel like I'm reading these at all right. I feel like I'm just getting my butt handed to me. And like with this one, look at that. I mean, where's it going? It's like just going forever. It's saying that it's going up, it's going up, it's going up. It's got a lot of up pressure. I don't know, 330. Do I believe that? No, I don't. I don't believe that. It just hooked up like that. I don't feel like that's anything I looked at and felt like anything good about. This one right here, it came down again, it hit that line again. It's struggling and it says it wants to go up from there, but I just don't believe that either. I'm not sure I believe that. Look how off it is. It doesn't have any flow to it, to me. It doesn't feel flowy. Maybe these are like what you would call maybe expanding charts. It's down, but it's just jagged, and it goes down. It should go down. This one in terms of its bigger picture is probably going up. So, it's at 88%. I'll try another one on this. If I can get this to, let's say this does retract up to the white line from here. Let's say I could win that, then I could probably take an 8 here, and I could catch it. Although the pocket option signals say it's going down. I think that it's only saying that because it's in a downtrend, and but it's kind of like going down. Let's see here. I'm going to double that up down there. But then if it breaks this, maybe it is going down, but I still think that it tried to go down and break it. It went up. It tried to go down, tried to break it. It's fighting to go back up there. Oh, look at that. Almost gone up. Oh, no. It's gonna lose both of those. See, I think I'm gonna take this one up here on 8. That'll get my 2 4s back. That's in a minute. And if it does do a little bit of a up, then I can do 8. And then if I can get these back, then I can take another 8 on the way up. But see, it's like, now it's like at a line right there. Now it's going to push down below a little more. Below that line. But I do think it's probably going up from here. It's well, I mean, it goes down, it levels out, goes down, goes up, goes down. I don't think it really knows what it wants to do, to be honest. See, but it's going to try to tap down. Okay, there it goes. That'll be a win then if it stays up. There you go. There you go. There you go. Rise up from the ashes. And then I really don't know where it's going from here. It's just sort of back and forth in this little box. I guess if I put this in and if it breaks out, if it breaks below this box, I guess I'm gonna take it. Is it gonna break below the box? No, it's struggling to get below the box. But, you know, if it bounces off that box and goes real high, then we could take it high. All the signals are saying down, but they're long signals. There, it's heading back up. If it touches that bottom line again, oh, there we go. We've got up pressure. Still in a box and still struggling. That looks like it could be at this point though where it says I'm going to go back down. Bam, I'm going to take it down. Just a guess based on the bottom of this one. Kind of hit up back at the bottom of that one. It looks like it's going to go back up to the white line, but I've kind of been wrong on these charts most of this session. So if it goes up to, let's say, it goes up to like here, I'll put it again. It pushes up above here. I think I'll get a push. If I'm careful with my math, I think I could win a push on this. I think I could get on the right side of this. If I'm... it's going to go back. Yeah, it's just farting around my line. There it's in my line. There it's in my line. Is it going to stay? No. There you go. It's in my line. No, it's going to jump up. All right, here we go. 2 minutes down 8. All right, so now it's a 2 minutes on 8. Much longer position. And then I think I'm just going to go for this also. 2 minutes for 16. Swooping up. Oh yeah, it does get up to there. It gets up to this little point in the RSI, and then it just sort of, it's been fighting down like that way a long time. There we go, 16 down. So I stacked up an 8 and a 16, and I'm still pretty far away from my stop loss. So if it gets up to, this is, now I'm just playing the long pattern. If it gets up to here, then I'm going to take another. Actually, I'm going to use this as my line. If it gets up to there, I'm going to take another 2. Unless it's RSI touch, and I'll do 1. Minute and 16. Okay. Let's double this up now. Oh, that was a 16. I thought that was an 8. I doubled up the wrong one. That's okay. 1769, 1759. All right, here we go. That's my last trade for the day. This will be my stop loss. If this does not turn around, I will have successfully hit my stop loss for the day, and probably knew I should have stopped earlier, but I didn't have the ability in my mind. I thought I could just keep going. I was kind of doing okay. This is a big stackage. This is actually way off my schedule. Let's see what this is going to happen. 1759 is my stop loss. It's really iffy. 25 seconds. So one good candle. Let's look at this in 10 seconds. Yeah, it's not a bad, not like a terrible position, but it's been doing that. Oh man, I'm kind of glad I did this on live stream, because this is definitely not my, definitely hit my stop loss today for the first time in a long time. That was a 6% loss. That was a 6% loss, and I can't trade anymore. I have to pull out stop loss. Okay, stop loss hit. I think I should have known when I was back up to about 1818. Yeah, I should have known when I was at 1818 that these charts are not, they're not going my way. And because I'm working on this new accountable method, let's open this up and write this down. I can't make any more trades because I've hit my stop loss. So 17.59, down $68, down 6%. Okay, so I have to go here and I have to write this down. Loss down 6%. This was what happened. 1827, 1759. You know, that's just what it is. You know, I'm going to put this in red so I can see it. I cleared off this level. Because I have surplus in my account, I'll be clearing off this level anyway. So let me clear the level off, and then, you know, actually I'm glad that I was on live stream, because I'm going to follow my rule. Maybe that's what I'll do. I'll follow my rule. Hey, thank you. Yeah. I'm going to follow my rule. 1142. So next time I have to get back to 1142. Basically, let's see, 1142. So I have to 1759. 1759. I have to get $22 tomorrow. Oh wait, 11. Yeah, I'm basically need $22 tomorrow, but my surplus bank is now at 594. Okay, 594. I'm gonna have to get, and I'm gonna move up, and that's fine. I mean, I take that loss out of my surplus and I keep moving forward. And I use today as just a little bit of a example of trading. I traded quite a while, and I think that I've been in this session for 48 minutes, and I never was able to get, I just kept losing just by a hair, and just kind of maybe should have changed my positions. And that last little run that I stacked all those trades was sort of like frustration trading. I'm allowed to do that because I can do whatever I want to in my trading session as long as I don't go past my stop loss. I can do that. If that would have turned around like I thought it was going to, it would have been a great win. And it looks like, let's see, it looks like it did turn around. It just went up. It just went up one more tick and it turned around. See, it did turn around. And I put my last put like right here. I just jumped it a little bit. Had I waited till it jumped up here and put a put, I would have been good. But it just expanding. I think the charts are kind of expanding right now. They're not really obeying the white line, or they are a little bit, and then they're going over, and then they're going under, and then they're going way up, and then it's going to happen. In terms of my strategy, I've been winning extra every day. And since I started taking track of those, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days in a row, I won my 4% to 2 to 4% 8 days in a row with one lost day. And I'm going to keep this in check because it's important to see. Like today, it's like crap. It felt kind of crappy, but 8 days of great straight wins. And then this is down 6. So, it knocks out a couple days, but I'm still up from those 8 days. Let's see where I'm at. 1549 was the first day. No, it was actually probably like 1500 minus 1759. So I'm up $259. I'm up $259 in that period right there. Those 8 days. So I'm on track, and I have $600 still in my surplus bank, which means, I can lose a day and be okay. I have $600 in surplus. Today, I went down 1827. I went down by $68. It's actually feels kind of crappy, but not really in the whole scheme of things because I've been winning every day. So I also started with a $4 trade today. I don't think that was the problem. It doesn't matter because I just wasn't really winning. So I'm going to leave that there. If you want to be in the Music City Trader Hack the Math group, just go over to binaryoptionstradingstrategy.com or go Better Future Income. What's up? What's up, Better Future Income? It's been a while. Yeah, I'm trying to get back into live trading, and I'm glad I did today because it'll keep me slightly more accountable because I've been kind of going crazy. So now I'm getting a little more accountable, at least to my own stop loss, which I don't hit it. I haven't hit it in 8 days. I hit it just now. I feel like when I got down to 1818, I should have taken a $10 loss for the day and just said, yeah, trading session was long, and it was feeling like that. It was getting long. It was feeling like I wasn't going to win, and then I just got a little bit overzealous on that. This was really my undoing right here where I should have waited for it to hit. I should have waited for it to touch that line, and I didn't. I jumped it. Maybe I should have taken a longer trade right there. I took just a shorter trade right before it hit that line. I kind of put it right there, and it just sort of never. It didn't work out. Yeah, Better for Future Income. Yeah, Forex. I haven't been doing Forex, but I am on this trading journey here that I'm working on. I'm on day number 124. So taking the account from $100 up to $1,759. So that's my trading balance is $1,142, and I'm gonna. My trading balance $1,142, but I have $600 extra in surplus, like extra, kind of like savings. If I have a bad day, I just take it out of there, stick it in here, and I keep moving. I'm heading towards day like 300, where I'll have 37,000. I don't know. It's just a slow climb every day, just one level a day, 2 to 4% a day, and I'm just gonna keep going. And I started with 100, now we're about 1,700. It's been slow. I've had some hiccups, but mostly my hiccups have been not stopping when I hit my stop loss. Like today, I hit my stop loss and I stopped. I have my new trading sheet here that just basically keeps me super accountable to that number. I mean, I can kind of mess around and trade however I want to until I hit that stop loss, and then I have to quit. And if I want to take big trades or small trades or compound or anything, I can do whatever, but I only have that. Like right now, it's only $68 for the day that I can lose. If I lose that, then I got to quit. 8 days in a row, I won. Today I lost, so I'm going to quit, and I'll be back tomorrow, and I'll hit my Friday session, and hopefully I'll win tomorrow and it'll feel better and get me a little bit more up. But the great thing about this method is when I win or when I lose, I move up a level, and my surplus will, because I'm winning a little more than I need to each day, so my surplus will keep me safe. These charts are expanding, and I'm not reading them right today. I should have known that $50 ago, and I did know that, but then I just thought, I'll stack these up and see if I can eke out a win. So yeah. Yes, 2 to 4% will make me an absolute millionaire if I can just do it every day, and that's what I'm focused on right now. Very small. Like I said, I started with $100 and I'm up to $1,800 almost. And then by the time I get to day 365, I'll have $135,000 in the trading account, and I'll be making an increase of $2,700 a day, or a monthly income of $81,000. So it kind of builds up. It just takes a while. I'm on snowballing. I'm on day 120 ish, and I'm going to day 300. I'm trying to get to day 300, where my income will be about $20,000 per month, just on 2%. So then we'll have a little more money to work with, and it might go for 4% each day, but it can compound up. Hey, thanks for watching the show, and thanks for hanging out. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Make sure you like the channel, subscribe, go on to Spotify, give us a review, and say that you missed Todd, so maybe he'll come back and do another show with us. All right. I'll see you guys next time.